Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon juice Kerala style. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 fresh lemons, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of cold water, and a tiny pinch of salt. For an extra authentic touch, you might also want a small piece of ginger or a few fresh mint leaves. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get that wonderful lemon juice. Start by washing your lemons really well. Then, carefully cut each lemon in half. Using a citrus juicer or even just your hands, squeeze all the juice into a bowl. Make sure to strain out any seeds or large pieces of pulp. We want a perfectly smooth and refreshing drink. Next, it's time to mix everything together. Pour your fresh lemon juice into a pitcher with 1 cup of cold water. Add about 4 tablespoons of sugar and that tiny pinch of salt. Stir vigorously until the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. For that special Kerala flavor, you can now add a small amount of finely grated ginger or a few crushed mint leaves. Almost ready to enjoy? Once mixed, place your lemon juice in the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes. This makes it extra refreshing. When you're ready to serve, pour the chilled juice over ice cubes in tall glasses. For a beautiful presentation, garnish each glass with a thin lemon slice or a fresh sprig of mint. Enjoy your homemade Kerala-style lemon juice.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.